Professor. My name is Ben Ladi G. Marandang, BS Cream 1B. The 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 1, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and surgeries of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant of arrest shall be issued except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describe the place to be searched and the person of things to be seized. Section 3, first paragraph, the privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Second paragraph, any evidence obtained in violation of this or preceding section shall be indemnizable for any purpose and any proceeding. Section 4, no shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or the press, or the right of the people, peaceably to assembly and petition the government for addressing grievances. Section 5, no shall be made respecting an establishment of religions or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment, the religious profession and worship, without discrimination or reference shall be forever be a law. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6, the liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court, neither shall be the right to travel by empire except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7, the right of the people to information on matter of public concern shall be recognized access to officials' record and to documents and papers pertaining to official act, transaction, or discussion, as well as to government research data used as basis for policy development shall be afforded the citizens subject to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8, the right of the people, including the those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9, private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of property. Section 12. Any person under investigation for the communication of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have component and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of counsel, as must be provided with one, this right cannot be waived except in writing and in the presence of counsel. Second paragraph. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other means which if by cheat the free will shall be used against him. Secret detention, place, solitary, incommunicado, or other similar forms of detention are prohibited. Third paragraph. Any confusion or admonition obtaining in violation of this or section 17 hereof and shall be admissible in evidence against him. Fourth paragraph. The law shall be provided for penal and civil section for violations of this section as well as composition to and rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar practice and their families. Section 13. All persons except charging with offense punishable by reclusion perpetual when evidence of guilty is strong shall before conviction be violable by sufficient sureties or be released on recognized as may be provided by law. The right to bail shall not be impaired even when the privilege of the right of habeas corpus is suspended. Excessive bail shall not be required. Section 14. First paragraph. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. Second paragraph. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved and shall enjoy the right to be heard by himself and counsel, to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, to have a speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face and to have compulsory process to secure the attendance of witnesses and the production of evidence in his behalf. However, after arraignment, trial may proceed notwithstanding the absence of accused, provided that he has been July the notified and his failure to appear in unjustifiable. Section 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to ask speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be complied to be witness against himself. Section 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of his political beliefs and aspirations. Second paragraph. No involuntary servitude in any one force shall be except a punishment for crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 19, first paragraph. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel, degrading or inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty be imposed unless for compelling reasons involving heinous crime. The Congress hereunder provided for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. Second paragraph. The employment of physical, psychological, or degrading punishment against any prisoner or detainee, or the use of substandard or inadequate penal facilities under subhuman conditions shall be dealt with by law. Section 20. No persons shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of a full tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense if an act is punished by a law and an ordinance, convention, or acquittal under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution for the same act. And the last, Section 22, no expose, pactulo, or bill of attainder shall be enacted. Thank you po.